Okay, guys, let's try to solve this question. So, this question comes from trigonometry. This came in 2019 in paper 2. So, when we are talking about paper 2, you need to have a calculator. So, this is my calculator. You can see. So, let's try to solve these questions. First question says calculate the length PB. So, we need to calculate the length PB. So the length PB, when it comes to trigonometry, you have to understand two things. So these capital letters here you are seeing here represent angles, and the small letters represent sides. So we have this angle K. So to have side K, we need to go straight opposite from this angle to here. So this side, this is a small k, a small k. This is small k. So and we have angle P here. So this is side P right over here. This is side P denoted with a small letter. So we have side B here. We have angle B here. So to find angle side B, we need to go straight like this. So this is side B. So upon indicating this, we are now going to answer the question. So we need also to understand the formula to use. So under trigonometry, there are two types of formulas. One, we have sine law and cosine law. So what law can we use on this question? So we have this angle and it is surrounded by two sides, two known sides. So this is cosine law. So this is cosine law to be used. So and cosine law, the formula goes like this. We have to get the angle which we have been given. So we have been given angle K. Angle K denoted by, and side K is denoted by a small letter K. So we're going to say K squared is equal to, we have side P we have been given, so we are going to say P squared plus, we have also been given side B, so we are going to say plus B squared minus these two P and 2 PB cos angle K. So cos K. So this is the formula we are going to use to find the first question. So it goes like this. What is K squared? K squared is PB. So PB squared is equal to, what is P? And P is 3. 3 squared plus, what is our B? Our B is 5 squared minus 2P. P it's a 3 and B it's a 5 cos, what is our K? Angle K it's 110 degrees. So we are going to say PB squared is equal to 3 squared, of course it's a 9, plus 5 squared, it's 25, minus 2. So we are going to multiply this one. We are going to punch all this on our calculator. So we are going to say 2 open brackets, 3 close brackets, open brackets, 5 close brackets, cos 110 degrees, and our answer will be negative 10 point, so it is giving us negative 10.260604.3. So we are going to say, we are going to punch now everything right over here. Or first of all, we are going to eliminate this by multiplying this negative times a negative, and it is giving us a positive. Then we are going to say 9 plus 25. 9 plus 25, and it's giving us 34. Then this is 10.26060043, and we say PB squared is equal to. So then we are going to add this 34 plus 10.2 plus 10.2606043, and it's giving us 44. PB squared is equal to 44.2606043. So now we want to find PB. So to find PB, we are going to introduce a square root both sides. This side a square root and this side a square root. A power 2 and the square root will cancel, and we are going to remain with PB is equal to the square root of this. What is the square root of 44 point? The square root of this is 6 is equal to 6.65286438. So this is our answer. Now we need to round it off into three significant figures. So to round this off, we are going to say PB is equal to 6.65, because this is not exceeding 5, it's a 2. So this is our answer. Then we are going to indicate the units, which is kilometers. Don't forget to indicate the units. So this is the answer to the first question. Second question is saying the area of triangle BKP. So area, the formula for finding the area is equal to, so we need to get an included angle. So an included angle, it is included by the sides B and P. So we are going to get these two sides. We are going to say BP, then we are going to say sine. Whether you are using cosine rule or sine rule, the formula for area is one and the same. So we are going to say sine this included angle here, which is K, sine K over a 2. So this is the formula we are going to use. So we are going to say A is equal to, what is our B? Our B is 5 kilometers times, what is our P? Our P is 3 kilometers times sine, what is K? Angle K, it's 110 degrees. So this is 110 degrees over 2. So we are going to punch everything on top here on our calculator. So we are going to say 3 times 5 times sine 110 degrees, and the answer will be area is equal to 14.0953891. So over 2. So we are going to divide by 2. When we divide it by 2, the answer is 7. So the answer for area is equal to 7.047694656. So this is the answer for area. Then we say kilometer squared. But remember, we have to round it off into three significant figures. So when we round off this number into three significant figures, it will be area is equal to 7.05, because this number here, it's a 7, it's exceeding 5. So we need to get one from this and put it here, and the 4 will turn into 5. So this is our answer for area. Then the second question, the shortest distance K to BP. So the shortest distance, we have this formula. The shortest distance is denoted by h is equal to 2a over b. So this is the formula for the shortest distance. Where does this formula comes from? So the formula comes from the how to find the area of a right angled triangle. So the area of a right angled triangle, the formula is equal to half BH. So we just said over a1, then close multiply. We need to make h the subject of the formula here, and we close multiply. A times 2, we have 2a. 1 times this, we have bh. Then we want to remain with h, so we are going to divide by b, then also here b. So, and h is equal to 2a over b. This is where this formula is coming from. So you can just get this formula, you can just know this formula and use to find the shortest distance. So we are going to use this formula to find the shortest distance. So h is equal to 2. What is our area? So we get our area, which is 7 point, our area is right over here, 7.05. Then we say over, what is our b? Our b is 2 at the shortest distance k to bp. So bp, this is bp, is what you have to replace here. So what is our bp? Our bp is what we have found here, which is bp is 6.65. So this is our bp. So h will be equal to, so this number times 2. So we are multiplying this and it is giving us 14.095391 over 6.65. Then we divide this by 6.65, this number here. So we are going to say divide by 6.65, and we are having our h to be equal to 2.119607.415. And when we round this number off, it's giving us h is equal to 2.12 kilometers. So this is our answer. So let's go to the last question. Solve the equation tan theta is equal to, and we have been given this range. So I'm going to explain this. Well, let me use the other page because I'm running out of space here. So the equation, we have been given the equation tan theta is equal to 0.7. This is the equation we have been given right over here. This is the equation 0.7, and we have been given the range, which is 0 is less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 180. So let me just copy this range here. So our range is 0 less than or equal to theta, and theta is less than or equal to 180. So we are going to say theta is equal to, so tan will jump, the equal sign will come here, and it will turn into tan inverse. Tan will jump the equal sign and it will turn into tan inverse of 0.7. So we are going to punch tan inverse of 0.7 on our calculator. So to 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 write tan inverse, you have to punch shift, then you go to tan, it will bring tan inverse, then you write 0.7, and the answer will be 34 point. The answer for theta is equal to 34.9920202. So this is the answer for theta. Now let's go to the range. The range is very important. So our range is like this. So let me just draw this, which will help you to find this question. So we have this question. So here there is 0, 360. Then here we have 90. Then here we have 180. And here we have 270. This, you have to know this and you have to remember this to help you. So, and we have a memory aid which says all students take calculus. So this is the memory aid which you have to know and remember always. So this memory aid is saying this is O. So when it says O, whether it's sin, tan or cos, the number less than 90 is positive. But when we come to this, only sign is positive here, but tan and cos are negative. So meaning any number between 90 and 180, when you type tan, that number, it will be negative. Then even if you say cos of that number, it will be also negative. Let me give you an example. So let me choose a number between 90 and 180. So I can say the number between 90 and 180, I can choose 100. So when I say cos 100, it will give me a negative number. But when I say sine 100, it will give me a positive number, as you can see here. So when it comes to the range, we look at this. We look at the answer of theta. Theta is equal to 34.992. So this number is positive. So this number is right over here, 34 point. It's between 0 and 90. So this is where tan is positive. So this is where this number is. But the range is saying theta is less than or equal to 0 is less than or equal to theta, and theta is less than or equal to 180. So the number which we need to find for theta should be less than 180. And tan here is only the number which is only positive is above 180. So meaning this is our answer for theta. This is our answer for theta. But if the number was greater than or if the range needed us to find the number which is greater than 180, we would have gone to find the number which is right over here. And okay, let me just give you, okay, next time I'll watch the next video. Thank you for watching. Remember to follow if you are watching it on TikTok, and remember to subscribe if you are watching it on YouTube. Thank you for watching.